In this video, you will learn how to create TikTok Ads Manager accounts on your mobile phone. A lot of persons have requested that I create a step-by-step video on how to set up your TikTok Ads Manager account and your business center on mobile phone, which I have done in this video. So do well to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any important step. To create your TikTok Ads Manager account, go to your Google Chrome browser and type ads.tiktok.com. The ads is ads, okay? Then click enter. It will open like this. This is the mobile version. Go ahead and click on this get started button here. When you click on the get started button, it will open up like this. This is to create your account. If you already have an account, you don't need to create. Just go ahead and click on this login to log in your account. But for the purpose of those who do not have accounts, this is how to create. You can create your account with email option or with phone number. I prefer to use email. So go ahead and input your email here. This is the email that I want to use. After inputting your email, enter your chosen password here. Now listen, your password must be between 6 to 12 characters. And it must have letters, numbers, and special character. What I mean by special character is dot, hashtag, hash, at. You understand all those special characters? So let me enter my password. Ensure that you use a password that you remember, okay? After inputting your password, click on this box. By clicking here, you agree to TikTok commercial terms of service. Just check that box. Then scroll down. You are going to see this sign up button right here. Click on sign up. Here, you will need to select two objects that have the same shape. There is C here and there's another C here. So just click on both of them and click on this confirm button. And that is how you solve that captcha. Now, your account has been created. TikTok is going to send a code to the email address you provided. So you go to that email and copy that code so that you input it here. You might get email notification just like I did now. Go to your email notification. This is the code CWUWFB. They will send you your own code. Don't use mine, okay? After inputting your code, they will ask you to fill up this particular information to create your ad account. Give yourself a business name. You can just call it Popka Media. After inputting your business name, below is industry. So click on this button to select the industry where your business belongs. I'll click on it now. You might not see the exact industry where your business belongs here. Just select the most related industry here, okay? Let me go to entertainment and media. I'll select other entertainment and media. So I'll select other content and media. After selecting the industry, click on this confirm button here. Then input your phone number here, okay? After inputting your phone number, scroll down. You will see this box here. By clicking here, you agree to TikTok commercial terms of service, TikTok advertising terms, and TikTok payment terms. Check this box, then click on this continue button. You can see you are ready to advertise on TikTok. Now, the instruction is for best experience and full features, use TikTok Ads Manager on a desktop browser. So since you don't have a laptop and you have phone, you are going to check the desktop feature on your Chrome browser. So go ahead and click on these three dots at the top right hand side on your Chrome browser. When you click on the three dots, it will open up like this. You are going to see this desktop site here. Check this desktop site here. When you check this box, your browser is going to turn from mobile view to desktop view. Just see it change right now. You can see that now. Your browser will change like this. There is get started button here. Go ahead and click on that get started button. So your TikTok Ads Manager account will open up like this. You can see this now. You can decide to zoom out and zoom in so that you can see your account very well, because phone size is small, so you can zoom out and zoom in. You can also rotate your phone, okay? You can go ahead to rotate your phone to see everything. Just rotate it like this, okay? And you'll be able to see all the features right here on your TikTok Ads Manager account. All these things that will be coming up, just click on skip here, just click on got it here, and all these things will disappear, okay? So with this, you have created a TikTok Ads Manager account. Now, you do not have a business center. So for you to create a business center, what you will do is to click on these particular three lines at the left-hand corner. When you click on the three lines here, it will open up like this. Go ahead and click on business center. Now, to create your TikTok business center, there are two types of business type. We have advertiser and agency. So since you're not an agency and you're an advertiser, just select I am an advertiser right here. You can see that right here. So select that one, then scroll down. You will see company information. The first thing is company website, which is recommended, right? If you do not have any company website, you can use your social media link, or you can use your WhatsApp link, your Instagram link, your Facebook profile link, anyone. So I will just use my social media link. I can use that of Instagram. After inputting the link, select your country, then enter your company name. What I used before is Popka Media, so enter your own company name. Okay, now after inputting anything here and you want this keyboard to disappear, just tap outside and that keyboard will disappear like this. See what I did? Okay, then go ahead and input your phone number. You will see phone number space right here. Tap on it and remember to remove the first 0 of your phone number because of the country code already given. Okay, then scroll down. You will see business center information here. Time zone, business name, currency, Nigerian naira. Scroll down, you see advertiser account information, Lagos time. Then you are going to see this particular box here. By clicking here, you agree to join the beta testing program. Check that box. After checking the box, you will see the confirm button right here. Click on this confirm button. They took me to industry. I have not imputed industry. You must fill everything. So let me select industry quickly. Then let me scroll down again and click on the confirm button. My business center is being created now. The next thing they want you to do is to do your 2-step verification, but I don't want to do that yet so that TikTok will not be sending me too much code. So I don't want to do that yet unless I'm forced. If you're forced, then you can do it, but for now, I'll click on not now. Let me complete other setup first. So when I click on not now, it will load my account again. Now, sometimes TikTok may just bring this survey and say, we notice you haven't linked a business account to TikTok yet. You can just take the quick survey to close this particular thing, okay? What you will need to do now, go to the left-hand side right here. You will see accounts. Just scroll down. You will see accounts. You can see accounts right now. Okay, accounts doesn't want to scroll down on this landscape. So just rotate to portrait format like this. Rotate your phone to portrait format, and it will show up like this. Okay, you can just zoom your screen to see it better. I hope you understand. Yes, sir. Now, if you want to add somebody's account, let's assume you want to run ad for somebody. Now, you have to add the person's TikTok account. Click on this TikTok account here. When you click on TikTok accounts, it will open up like this. You will see manage TikTok accounts in business center. What you need to do is to click on this link existing. When you click on link existing, it will open up like this. Okay, you can just zoom out. You need to screenshot this particular QR code. Okay, now look at the instruction. They say open the TikTok app and tap profile, then tap add friends and tap at the top right hand corner to scan the code. So screenshot this and send it to the person who wants to link his TikTok account for you to run ad, so that the person will scan this QR code and link his or her TikTok account to your TikTok ads manager account. That way, when you want to run ad, you will see the person's TikTok account and run the ad on that person's TikTok page. I hope you understand. You can also link your own in case you have a business TikTok ad account. You can also link your own through this method to in your business center, and you can run ads selecting your TikTok ads account. After scanning to approve login, click on this got it, and your TikTok account will appear right here. Okay, then to set up your payment method, just zoom out like this. Okay, now right here at the left hand side, you are going to see finance. So select finance. When you click on finance, just wait, it will load. Now when you click on finance, for some persons they will say finance access required. Don't select this one. Most times it's usually on finance analyst. Instead, go ahead and select the second one, which is finance manager, because this finance manager will enable you to allocate credits, to also view bills and invoices, manage payment, and add balance. Okay, this second one cannot give you all those permissions, so go ahead and select this one. Tap on it. Okay, after tapping on it, ensure that the green border is circled around it like this. Okay, then click on this update access settings, and your billing information will load like this. Just zoom out to see it properly. Okay, the tax ID is optional, so leave the tax ID. Under business address, you see state/province, so click on this. Scroll down to select your state. After selecting your state, After selecting your state, the next thing is city. So tap on city to select it. I'm in Port Harcourt, so I'll select Port Harcourt. Then the next thing is street address. Start with a number, okay? It could be number 3, number 9. They are not going to verify all this information, so just put anything you want to put, okay? Let me say number 5, Wallu Street. Just put your own, okay? Then the next thing is postal code. If you don't know your state postal code, just go ahead and browse it on Chrome, okay? This is how you can just quickly check it, okay? Just click on this place. Can you see that? Depending on how many tabs that you opened, just tap on it like this. Open a new tab. This is how to open a new tab on your mobile Chrome. Click on that plus sign. Then when you click on the plus sign, you'll be able to open a new tab. Just type postal code. You see postal code Port Harcourt, postal code Lagos, postal code Abuja, postal code Benin, postal code Asaba. Depending on your state, just type it like that. You see different postal codes, okay? When you see different postal codes, this one is for different places in Port Harcourt, Agri Road, Transamadi, Diobu, and all that. Your own state too, that's how you see different postal codes. So just enter the one that you want to use. I already know my own postal code. So this is how you go back to the other tab that you were using. Just click here, right? When you tap on it like this, it will minimize. Go to the previous tab that you were using. I hope you'll be able to recognize it. This is the previous tab that I was using. So I'll tap on it and it will come up like this again. So go ahead, tap on this postal code area again and input the postal code you just browse now. So I'll tap on it and input my own postal code. After that, click on this submit button. Just wait a little it to process. With that, your payment details is set up. You can see zoom out like this. Look at what you can see do. You can see go ahead, click on this finance. The drop down button will show like this. So with this, your payment information has been added. Just zoom in like this. Then you will see these 3 lines at the top left hand corner. You can zoom out to see it properly. See the 3 lines here. So go ahead and click on these 3 lines. See the 3 lines I'm talking about. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see Ads Manager. Click on this Ads Manager. When you open it like this, you are going to see the Business Center account here and the Ads Manager account here, okay? Now, remember, this Business Center account is having the name 𝗵𝐺 Media. Then this particular Ads Manager account is having the name 𝗵𝐺 Media 1218. That means this particular business center is not the one connected to this one. The ad account, the ads manager that is connected to this particular business center is 1. You will see it right here. Look at it. It's 1 and it's possibly not this one. Okay. So this is how you are going to check it. Click on this business center, then zoom out. At the left hand side here, scroll down, you will see accounts right here. Click on accounts. Under advertiser account here, you will see your advertiser account here and the status is showing approved. The name is 𝗵𝐺 Media because the advertiser account, the ad account is supposed to have the same name with the business center. I hope you understand now. So just swipe to the left like this, okay? Just swipe to the left like this, swipe to the left like this. Just swipe it, just drag it, then zoom out. You will see that under members, you have 0, which means there is no permission. There is no user that is using it. That is why you are seeing that this particular ad account is hidden. So click on this place that they say member 0 here. Click here so that you'll be able to add member permission here. Tap on it. And when you tap on it, it will open like this. You can zoom in or zoom out so that you can make it smaller, right? Like this. Are you seeing how it is? So you can zoom out again now. You are going to see assign new member. When you see assign new member here, click on assign new member button. Tap on it. You see that it opened down. Take note of all these things so that you will not be confused. It opened down like this because your phone screen is small. So just drag it up like this. Drag it up. You can zoom out so that you will see it perfectly well. Are you seeing the way I'm doing it? That's how I'm zooming my screen. Just pinch it to zoom or expand your hand to zoom out. Just like that. Okay, it's not difficult. Okay, then you are going to see this user. Look at this user here. There's actually a button beside it like this. Tap on that button beside that user. When you tap on it like this, it will select that user. That is the user that I want to add as permission, as admin, as operator, as analyst to this ad account. Now I'm going to turn on admin. When you turn on that admin button for this user, which is you are going to have total control over this ad account. I hope you understand. Yes, sir. After turning on all this, click on this confirm button and you'll be able to confirm it. Click on confirm now. TikTok is going to send another code to your email. So go ahead, check your email address to verify that code. A new code has been sent to my mail. Make sure that you input the correct code and the newest code, okay? So the code is DW. After inputting the code, you are going to see the next button right here. Click on next. You can see new member has been added here, which is your own account. Now you can go ahead to close it. If you go to your business center, just click on, look at, there's an X button here to close it. When you close it now, and when you come to member here, you will see 1. So you are the user and you are the owner. You see that now? Now, if you go back to this place now, look at these 3 lines at the top left hand corner. Tap on the 3 lines. Then go ahead and click on Ads Manager. Now you will see that you have 1 business center here and 2 ads managers. Now you may ask, which one is connected to this business center? It is this first one that had the same name with the business center. Both of them are connected. Take note, if you fund this business center here, this particular ads manager can use that same money, but this second one cannot use it. I hope you understand. Now that your TikTok ads account and business center has been set up, you can now go ahead to fund your TikTok ad account as well as run your TikTok ads with your mobile phone. In case you don't know how to do that, I have recorded 7 videos on how to get this done. From funding your TikTok ads account to running your TikTok ads to WhatsApp, TikTok ads DM, and several other factors you need to consider to run TikTok ads that convert to sales. To get access to those step-by-step tutorial videos, click the link at the description of this video. There's also a WhatsApp and phone number on the screen. You can reach out and get access to TikTok ads course on mobile phone. The sweet part is you'll be added to my students WhatsApp support group, where if you have any questions or challenges regarding TikTok ads, you'll be attended to as fast as possible. Lastly, it is not completely free, but I'm giving 50% discount to only my YouTube subscribers. So hurry now, contact via the phone number or the link at the description of this video and get access today.